Just
I'll get it.
make sure that it's Temp-tations time, and Tara Tesher is joining us. Already 300 ordered.
I'm coming in with some soup.
Ma'am,
coming in hot.
Get in here.
Coming in hot. Good morning.
Lead designer of Temp-tations, joining us live in our studio with a bestseller. Hi.
How are you?
So good to see you.
So good to see
We
you too.
love the Supersize Store and More large utensil crock, and quite frankly, it's not just for utensils.
You're absolutely right. That is exactly why it started, which is that it can hold over 27 utensils. But now, so many of you have given us so many great ideas. Oh, don't worry about it. The norm.
It's going to help you.
Just wear an apron. Just call it a day. But now you can literally put this in the oven up to 500 degrees, the broiler, the fridge, the freezer. I'm going to turn that around because there you go.
Hello.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Today's my first day.
I am enjoying it myself.
Yes, I know you are.
By the way, the sale price and the free shipping are gone at the end of the day. We have a new one today.
I heard you were very excited about all of our color choices.
They are back in stock. Let's go take a look.
You want to go over here?
Let's start at the old world.
Love.
Oh.
So here we have some of the old world colors that we don't always carry. So remember, this is a 4-quart baker that then turns into like your champagne crock. This is your black.
Can I have the crew look into something for me? Is there a save?
Yes.
Oh, stock
Well, at
up
least
in...
that's what that was the rumor.
Can you guys check for which ones are the stock up? Thank you so much. Please continue.
Here's your red. There's your yellow. Here's your taupe.
Gorgeous.
And then come down here and we'll finish Old World. There's your green. This is what started it all. At one point, Old World was only one color. Then, of course, we have that gorgeous blue. We have the gray. And then we have what I collect, which is that confetti mixing and matching all of your colors. So those are your Old World choices.
All the Old World choices are $21.87.
That, by the way, with free shipping and handling, today is the day.
Yeah, I mean, the sale prices and that, save more goes away at the end of the day, and the free shipping is gone at the end of the day. Let's continue.
Then we have floral lace.
Okay.
So we have red, of course, and that's going to be that really beautiful bright red. Floral lace has that engraved carved detail, and then the color saturated around it, hand painted inside as well.
Beautiful.
There's that gorgeous cobalt blue. The yellow. Hello, yellow.
Hello.
Of course, our classic black. I always say that's toile. And then peeking in the back, we have our taupe, our gray, and our cranberry. So you can see kind of that neutral story.
Okay.
Buckle up.
I dressed for Valentine's Day today.
And I saw your red, and so Lisa and I decided the pink would look cute with it.
So cute. But I love the romance.
Isn't that great? So romance is a seasonal pattern. We only carry it this time of year. Once it's gone, you will not see it until this time next year if we decide to bring it back at all.
There are only 2,000 left.
We brought in a nice amount for our romance girls.
Can't even believe it made it to the table.
Confetti.
Yeah.
Yes. So
1,800 left.
Confetti has been one of those new patterns that you love, whether it's your kitty cat or your doggy. This is so great. Love that. We still have some buffetti.
So cute.
Love.
800 left there. Oh,
okay.
Wait. Can
Egg
we
hunt?
look at his face, please?
Right. Thank you. Egg hunt with, of course, the adorable little bunny. All of those hand-painted eggs are on. So this is like springtime. Doesn't just have to be Easter.
He's new today. There's not a thought in his head. There's only 650 left. Look, he's not even smiling. He's like, what?
That's also another seasonal that we only bring this time of year. Then we have holiday.
Love.
That's going to have the scene
650
there.
left.
Palm. So that's going to have that carved detail there.
Little matte handles on the palm. I love that.
Oh, hello, Wimbley.
Oh.
Wrapped and entwined in those C9 bulbs.
Last call, Winter Whimsy.
Patriotic. So again, another seasonal. Romance, patriotic, and our egg hunt you don't see till this time of year.
And then 200 in the patriotic.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we have our poinsettia that has our cardinal. And then we brought in all of Woodland.
200 in the poinsettia. I just want you to know the Woodland, Jen, if I'm correct, they are also $21.87.
Are you serious?
So the Woodland and the Old World are $21.87. Let's look at the colors.
So here's, of course, that beautiful gray. Here's your taupe. So if you're looking for those neutral patterns, you have that there.
Yeah.
Here's our slate blue that has that carved detail and then that glass glaze. I love the buttercream.
Me too.
Buttercream, love. And then, of course, we have that classic white. Look at how great that is.
I'm collecting as much Woodland white as I am everything else.
It's funny.
Like, my whole house is Temp-tations.
Yes.
Every holiday I have Temp-tations out. Every night that we eat, we have Temp-tations out. 109,000 of this have already sold. In this show alone, we've already had, I think Jen said, over 800 already ordered. So jump on the phones. Please don't wait. It's free shipping. But this is still that 21-year love that we have presented Temp-tations here at QVC. This is still the stoneware, so we can still treat it like our other pieces
Absolutely.
too.
So I'm going to start over here. I'd like to say we're going to run the gauntlet, right?
I love it.
So here's 27 utensils. This is why I started it, right?
That would be the supersize portion.
Correct. The little crock on the side of my stove where I can only fit like 3 things. No thanks.
Winter Whimsy's gone.
Winter Whimsy's gone. And we all have that drawer that we jam everything in, and then we try to open that drawer, and we can't get anything out of it. So now you have all of your utensils out there, 27 of them. I can literally grab them right from here, pull them right out, and continue on. But then maybe I need a vase, right? Maybe I have a plant or flowers or something that I want to use. Now fill it with water, and look how beautiful, Mary, it becomes your centerpiece. And are these flowers not gorgeous?
Yeah.
I was like, wow, hello, flowers.
We might have overshot it. These are gorgeous.
Mary, this is for you. I love you.
Wow, you love me a lot. And you know what else? I mean, this is now back in stock. So many times we have people saying, is the supersize coming back in? Is the supersize coming back in? The Old World and the Woodland pattern color choices, those are $21.87. The others are $24.87. That almost doesn't even matter because the 5 easy payments are less than $5 a month. It's on free shipping, and it's fridge safe, freezer safe, oven safe, microwave safe. I want to see that microwave. And it's dishwasher safe. But that free shipping means that you're getting an additional $5. We got to go through the choices again.
It's incredible. I have to say, if you've been looking at this store and more, we're back with all of our colors and our seasonal, like today is the day.
I just did a full spin. I don't know why. But 16, I was just like, okay, we're going to go here. 1,600 have already been ordered. This is In the Kitchen with Mary. You know I love Temp-tations. Look at all the choices you have today.
Love. Okay, so Old World's up here on the top. We have our black. We have our red. The yellow, which we brought back in honor of our 20th anniversary. Here we are in year 21. Oh, hello, 21.
Oh, hey.
Here's our taupe right here. And then below, we have our green. I love, if you're thinking about a gift, this is such a great neutral color for someone in their kitchen. There's your blue, there's your gray, and there, of course, is your confetti. Nick actually offered to come up with a new color for me when he was setting up all the colors.
Aww.
I think he was being sarcastic.
No, he's
like, Sarah, do we need any more colors?
I gotta tell, yeah, right, because there's only about 5,000. So remember, that Old World is the $21.87 mark. But let's get into the floral lace.
So here's your red and your blue, and I love the idea if you're picking up patriotic, mixing and matching these. Again, don't be afraid to do that. There's that beautiful yellow. Thank you.
This here.
Look at that. Great idea, Mary.
Don't wait on the patriotic.
That's so your speed. Here's the yellow, of course. There's your black. And then in the back, we have our neutrals, our taupe, our gray, and our cranberry. Then we get into seasonal. I have so much fun with all of our seasonal prints and patterns.
We love our seasonals. I love the hearts. This is the romance. And I think a moment ago we had fewer than 2,000 to go around in the romance. So please don't wait on that. Paw-fetti, I can't believe it's even here.
Me neither.
I mean, honestly.
I love that we have a big 2-hour show from 4 to 6 where we will see this, but you're getting the sneak peek of all the new prints and all the new patterns for this morning.
1,600 left. Buffetti, can't believe it's in stock too.
Buffetti.
Fewer than 800 now. The brand new egg hunt. That's how I woke up this morning. That's exactly what I looked like. There are 500 left in the egg hunt, in the dark, with my all pupil.
Perfect.
And then we also have, Holiday, still in stock, only 600 left. Palm.
Love, with the matte finish. I love, and the matte leaf design there too. So really sweet and special. Then, of course, patriotic, one of my absolute faves. I decorate with red, white, and blue all year round.
Me too. 100 left in patriotic. That's it.
And then there's our poinsettia with our sweet little cardinal there. So there you can see some of the holiday prints too.
150 left. We're going to jump on over to Woodland. Woodland is your other opportunity to save a few extra dollars today, but everybody's saving with free shipping day. The Woodland gray.
The gray. So again, I love the stainless steel appliances, super neutral. If you're thinking about like a shower gift, a wedding gift, what a great idea. Here's your taupe. There's your slate blue, the buttercream, one of my absolute favorites. Love that sweet color. And then the white, always classic. We always bring the most in of the white, so I love that we have that today.
This one you probably won't see later because Woodland white is rarely in stock.
Sneak peek here.
Woo, the price and the free shipping are gone at the end of the day, so you are getting that big sneak peek.
We didn't even talk champagne bucket.
Oh, man.
Champagne bucket, it's everything.
Can that be my new nickname?